In conjunction with the 275th anniversary of Fairfax County, we're here in the Gum Springs Museum to offer everyone a part of American history. Gum Springs is quite a unique community. It was started back in 1833 by Wes Ford, a freedman from the Mount Vernon estates. Wes Ford is said to be the son of George Washington by a slave. He was listed at the Mount Vernon estate as a slave, but at the age of 21, he was removed from that listing, given land, and 3 years later, the land that they gave him, he sold and purchased Gum Springs. Gum Springs was a sanctuary, if you will, for freed blacks and runaway slaves. Here, coming into the area and finding this unique community existing in a climate of slavery. The Gum Springs Museum is located in the Gum Springs Community Center on the west end of the building. And what you would find here is it's going to offer the history of Wes Ford, the founder, and then you'll come and see the other components, the families, how they came to be, what enabled them to come to Gum Springs and to thrive, the different organizations, the Bethlehem Baptist Church, which was started by Samuel K. Taylor, a runaway slave back in 1863. And so these are the things that you will see when you come to the Gum Springs Museum. This element of strength, this element of faith, hope, and love that enabled a community to exist during slavery, a community to exist throughout Jim Crow and to present day. We would like to encourage you, and we invite you to come out to experience the history of Gum Springs, part of the 275th anniversary celebration of Fairfax County.